My little backpack, red and blue. Chunni and Munni love it too. Straps go on nice and tight, ready to learn and feel so bright. Books inside and pencil case, smiling faces, happy pace. Lunchbox packed with yummy treats, school is waiting down the streets. Zip it up and off we go, step by step, not too slow. My little backpack comes along, singing our happy school time song. Books inside and pencil case, smiling faces, happy pace. Lunchbox packed with yummy treats, school is waiting down the streets. Zip it up and off we go, step by step, not too slow. My little backpack comes along, singing our happy school time song. My little backpack, red and blue. Chunni and Munni love it too. Straps go on nice and tight, ready to learn and feel so bright. Books inside and pencil case, smiling faces, happy pace. Lunchbox packed with yummy treats, school is waiting down the streets. Zip it up and off we go, step by step, not too slow. My little backpack comes along, singing our happy school time song.